go ground some people. Uso firme this. So the two, you are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. I be going grounding some people. You are grounded for life. Go on your house and go upstairs to your room right now. Oh, you're opening the building to me. You are now ungrounded. When I thanks for opening me. I don't want visits. And also of man and also I be going also ground. I'm going also grounded. I going ground also to the other residents. Will push the button where the current floor is going. This defense is all needs.
No le dé golpecito a la puerta, que va persona y lo oyen. Menos mal que no nos hemos montado con él porque va al 5. Vaya al 4.
Oh, boss, 4
Vaya al 5.
You go 5th floor, I will ground you. The resident on the 5th floor, you are grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now. Any people comes. Thanks a lot.
Cerrando puertas. Subiendo. Planta 5.
No tardes que aquí abajo, hombre, besito.
Abriendo puertas.
No, it's inside of the house.
Cerrando puertas.
Ivy is inside of the house now, but Ivy getting grounded for up to the current floor where you're going.
Planta baja.